Bottle opener. A tool used for removing bottle caps or cork stoppers from bottles. Bottle opener. Bread knife. A long, serrated knife used for slicing bread. Bread knife. Grater. A kitchen utensil with sharp holes used for grating food into small pieces. Grater. Whisk. A kitchen utensil used for mixing ingredients by incorporating air into them. Whisk. Tea kettle. A container with a spout and handle used for boiling water for tea. Tea kettle. Rolling pin. A cylindrical kitchen utensil used to roll out dough for baking. Rolling pin. Pastry brush. A brush used for spreading egg wash, butter, or glaze on pastries before baking. Pastry brush. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Bread knife. Bread knife. Bread knife. Grater. 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 Whisk. 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 Tea kettle. Tea kettle. Tea kettle. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Pastry brush. Pastry brush. Pastry brush.